Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are working with long A, silent E words. The instructions at the top say, color the letters from left to right to make a long A word. Then write it. Looking at our first picture, I can see a picture of a girl wave at me. So I'm going to find the boxes with the letters that spell wave. W, A, V, with that silent E at the end. Please color wave. When you're done coloring wave, we're going to write wave with a pencil on the line. W, A, V, silent E. Long vowel, silent E. All right, back to our crayon. Our picture is of a rake. Rake. Please color the letters with the sounds rake. A, k, with a silent E at the end. With your pencil, please write rake. A, k. That silent E makes A, say the long A sound. Ape. Next picture is of tape. T-A-P. Tape. T-A-P. That A is saying A because there's a silent E at the end. Tape. With your pencil, please write tape in your best handwriting. T-A-P. I see one vowel, one consonant with a silent E at the end. So A is going to say A. Our next picture is of a cave. K-A-V. Color our boxes. K, A, V, with a silent E. Cave. Please write cave with your pencil. K, A, V, cave. Long vowel, silent E. Our last picture is of a maze. M-A-Z. Maze. M-A-Z. With that silent E at the end. Please write maze in your best handwriting. M-A-Z. Don't forget that silent E. Long vowel, silent E. Way to go. All right, boys and girls, we are still working with long A and short A. We're going to use two colors today, red and blue. We are going to have red be our short A words, and blue is going to be long A words. Please color your headings red and blue, just like I did. Then we're going to go to our word box, and we're going to look at each word and determine or decide if it's a short A, apple, or long A, ape. The first word I see has our pattern. One vowel, one consonant with a silent E at the end. Long vowel, silent E. So I know that silent E is having the A say A. A, V, wave. We're going to color wave blue. Our next word also has the pattern. One vowel, one consonant with a silent E at the end. That silent E makes A say a, o, male. So we will go ahead and color that blue as well because it's a long A sound. Our next word, I can see it does not have a silent E, so it is a closed syllable type. So our vowel sound is saying a, h, a, d, had. We're going to color had red because it's making the a sound. Our next word, again, there is no E. The word is glad, g, o, a, d, glad. A is saying a because there's no E to make it say a. Taking a look at our next word, I can see one vowel, one consonant with a silent E at the end. That E makes the A say a. K, a, came. Color it blue. Our next word does not have an E. I see one vowel and one consonant, but no E at the end. So that lets me know the A is going to say a, k, a, can. Next line, I can see my pattern. One vowel, one consonant with a silent E at the end. Long vowel, silent E. Please color it blue because that A is saying a. Our next word has no E, so I know A is going to say a, g, b, grab. Our next word, one vowel, one consonant, silent E at the end. Long vowel, silent E. That E makes the A say a. So we are going to put blue for long A, b, a, k, bake. Then we have pat, p, a, t. A is short. Next word, I see my pattern, one vowel, one consonant, silent E at the end. K, a, v, cave. Then we have short A, b, a, g, bag. All right, with our pencil, we're going to write our words into the correct column. Our first word is wave, and we colored it blue because that A is saying a, as in ape, because of that long vowel silent E. Cross it off when I'm done. Then we have male, ale. That long vowel, silent E. Then we have had, had. Put it in the short A word column because there's no E, so the A is saying a. Then we have glad, g, o, a, d. All right, my friends, you're on your own from here on out. Go ahead and continue to sort the words into the correct columns. You did great. Way to go.